This is the Roco TT scale model of the Class 38 in Deutsche Reichsbahn livery from the late 1920s, early 30s. They were originally constructed as the Prussian P8 steam loco, and there was a design that had 3,700 locos built. The smoke deflectors were a later addition. Now, Roco have painted some cab details in there, so some nice little touches. Got LED directional lights. Has the motor in the tender and drive on the tender as well. Now, the Germans quite like this way of driving a loco. It means that the weight can be congregated above the driven axles. You have a nice die-cast tender, give it a lot of weight, and you're not driving the unbalanced wheels at the front, so you can make it nice and smooth. Plus you're not trying to accommodate a large motor in a very small boiler, so they have the ability to use a larger than normal motor. Got the TT coupling at the back there, and it's in an NEM pocket on a close coupling mount, so it comes out on the corners. There is a mounting point for another coupling at the front, and the coupler is in the parts bag, so you can put one on the front if you wish. It's a factory fitted sound loco, Zemo decoder with 22 functions. All the usual operating sounds. There's plenty of different things to play with. We'll get it running. It also coasts quite nicely, so you've got the two different exhaust beats. There is also another sound set. It just sounds different actually, they're not explaining why. So if you use function 10, I think it's light running actually, it hasn't got the same power stroke. So if I turn function 10 off again, you should go back to the louder exhaust. Yeah. The lighting dynamo there. And a curve squeal. So there we are, a nice addition to the TT range.